What are you doing?
Wet sanding these fucking side skirts, boy. Should seem to be washed off now,
Never before seen on camera. Fucking cleanest NB Miata in town, no cap.
powder off. The blue.
Yeah, that color is good. How was that?
I dropped it and it just sprayed straight up.
Yeah, this was an insane color. Like, if I bought these side skirts, I would make my car this color. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like if they came that color.
Yeah. I would have been like, well, I'm getting the whole car painted now. Because that's just too fucking pretty. She's looking fire. Anybody who said you can't paint a car with rattle cans can suck my fucking cock.
Yeah. That's facts. Alright. I think that one's good. This one's gonna be hot.
Yeah, I don't know. You do it this way.
Yeah. It's a fender for the fucking wood.
Oh, these things are fucking heavy.
It's exactly what we needed.
Yeah, that was perfect. I don't know what the fuck was going on there, but
Because we got 2 cans of the actual paint.
the only part that didn't really get hit was like this side on this one.
That's alright. This is the
So,
underneath of the car.
That's what I'm saying. Do you want to use the other primer and just hit the bottom,
Just
or
a
do you
little
not
bit.
care?
I don't care. I think it's fine.
I just don't like this part
Like
right
you
here.
don't want it to peel.
Yeah, like this is a very thin fucking layer.
Alright, fuck it.
Just wait, let me see. Do it this way because the wind's going that way. Let me get out of here. Before you fucking gas me.
Oh my god. Look at how shit it is.
Bro.
Nah, yeah, fuck that.
It's fine, we'll sand it.
Yeah.
This should dry quick. Do you want to
This
move?
one's already dry.
I mean, they should be. They were in the sun. We could just relocate them to the...
To the plate.
Yeah,
now
just
that
grab the
they're-
whole stick.
I just took it off the stick.
Oh. Want to take this one off the stick? This one's tighter. So are we gonna paint the rest of them tomorrow? Or do you want to paint them now?
What do you think?
Well, do you have work tomorrow?
Yeah.
This is like dry already.
I know. Honestly, I feel like we can paint them now. Like,
Do you want to sand this a little so you don't get these? Like, just give this one 25 minutes.
Yeah.
And we'll sand it. We can start painting the small ones.
Yeah.
Well, I was just wondering, do you want to build like a plastic room, or do you not care? Because they're gonna get scratched anyways because they're on the bottom of your car. So that we don't get the dust specks.
Oh.
But we're gonna, if you want a wet sand, then
How are we gonna build a plastic room?
I guess we'll just spray them out here like we did.
Yeah.
And then
I think it should be.
we'll just have to wet sand them
Yeah,
afterwards.
we can just wet sand. Like, we can just wet sand the clear coat when we're done.
Yeah, so we'll have to wet sand that one just to get the specks off.
Yeah.
A little bit, and then these ones will be fine. I'm not worried about this one. This one looks good.
Yeah.
He sprayed on the top so you know that these are the colored ones. Look at all that fucking pearlescent. I gotta show the camera that. It's so shiny.
That's perfect. That looks just like it.
Yeah, it does.
Let that sit for a sec.
You're gonna want to do thick coats
Think so?
to get rid of this because of the scratch lines in the primer.
Yeah.
When you're at like, it's at an angle, but if you step like here and look at the sunspot, because like, see how your car's in the sun right
Yeah.
there? If you look at the lightest part, it's the same.
Yeah.
And
That's
the darkest
crazy.
part's the same.
They probably get it, the code and mixing directly from Mazda.
Yeah, I think they have like it's same thing with like the wall paints, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Fire.
What can I see that can? I want to see what the time is.
Fucking hot as hell out here.
Yeah, it is. It's not too bad though.
No, it's
Need a
not.
water.
It just started getting hot.
This doesn't say. Why is the date so wrong?
I know, I saw that. I was like, I wonder if they had these in storage, but no. It's Pawtucket, so they probably don't even bother to update that.
I don't know, there's
shit.
not a lot in those cans though. I'm glad
It
you
feels
have two.
heavy.
It does, but it also doesn't.
Yeah, like the ball is so
Yeah.
free.
Is this dry yet? What does this feel like? Oh, dude. This is almost dry. That must do like a 30-minute cure time too.
All right, want to do the smaller one?
Yeah, you can put, do you want to put them on the fucking tire or do you want to do them on here?
We can just, honestly, fucking grab them. Move them. Fucking move them over here. Actually. Yeah, that looks, dude.
Yeah, once we get a clear
You
and
literally
sand,
don't even need to clear coat it.
you do though.
I
Dude,
know,
the
I know.
glossiness would
Yeah.
look so good.
Just put this on.
That's so hype. I don't know if you want to hang the edge over. Kinda can't.
That should be good. That would have been bad.
Been a lot of sanding.
Yeah.
Only thing that sucks about GoPros is they burn through batteries so fast.
Yeah, I bet.
Like this is an 80s F50, 49. I'm watching it go down as I look at it. But I have 2 batteries. I have to order the kit. It comes with a charging dock and another battery.
Yeah.
So I have 3 total and I can charge 2 at a time. Damn. That looks so good.
Yeah. You can see the scratches though, like.
That's when we sand it down, you'll have enough layers.
When it clear coats and we sand that, will you be able to see them, or what? Will that like fill it?
That should fill it.
Yeah.
That's why we're gonna do 2 coats of paint and then probably 2 or 3 of clear.
Yeah.
Depending on how it looks after it you know, dries.
Yeah. This one right here. It's gonna look so fire. That's crazy. It's literally the exact color.
Yeah, they did a fucking good job.
Yeah, we'll have to do 2 coats.
And the wet sanding will help. You know, you remember from the black car, it's just the more coats you do, the more vibrant the sparkles and everything.
Yeah.
But at the same time, we don't want to make it look better than your car.
I mean, it's silver, so like,
You
how
can't
good
see.
can it really look?
Once we
It's
wet
not like
sand it, it's
black.
gonna look perfect.
Yeah, it's not like black where it's like a mirror.
Yeah, that's what was hard about it, is that black is very difficult to match.
Yeah.
Especially when you're not buying.
I wish we got
like-
this. We
Yeah.
should have went there. I mean, it's not like we knew.
No, because we were gonna order it online.
Yeah.
Well, because we called. We were like,
Yeah.
I looked around at O'Reilly's and everything, and they didn't have anything. Fuck, it's hot.
Yeah, it is.
All right. Do you want to do this one? Think it's dry enough?
Yeah.
Maybe let it sit a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm trying it with the bottom. You'll never see it, but you can put your nail in it.
Yeah. Perfect.
Do you want to wet sand these?
We could. Just like with a really fine grit.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it because we need to do this one anyway.